Hello, I'm Brandon Silks, Wilderness Freak 81, and I'm working on that rocket stove. I had another video earlier, and I'm coming up with new stuff. First, I got a Stanley Camp Cook cup, and it works similar to other cups. It latches on top there. And I took that paint can lid that's the bottom of my stove, and you can put it right on top of this. So then you got a sealed container. If you sand the edges a little bit, it'll go right in. So I got that. I got the camp stove right inside with all my stuff. And I'll show you. I made these for the top burners. Military fork and spoon. I just cut them down to size. They're still fine to use, especially for a small camp stove. And my pipe with my draft allower right there, that piece of metal. So the air goes underneath. That's a pineapple can, pineapple juice. And I just took a double flued 3-inch pipe, drilled the holes in the top, took a 2-inch hole saw bit, just made that hole, chopped it with the chop saw like I said earlier. We'll put it together and we're going to try this out, use this cook stove. Okay, let's put this together. I got some birch to start the fire. I just take that paint can lid and I'll turn it this way, pull out my stove. See, that's the base. That keeps it off the snow and whatever else you got going on there. That's way better than one without a base. And I have this pipe, and I go through both of the walls of that double flued pipe. I just stick it right in like that, securely. Put my draft hole in here. And then I'll just grab some, I got pine and stuff like that, trying to keep it dry. So I'll grab it like this, shove it down in here best I can, get a good fire going so the air can still go through all that loose stuff. And I'll put all these shavings on top. Hopefully I get some nice thin dry ones for a ferrocerium rod to catch. I'll just take my pocket knife and a ferrocerium rod. I hit one of them. There, it caught. That's all you need. It'll work its way down. I'll go get some more and put it on top. We'll get this thing going. We'll boil some water and we'll see how long it takes here. I'll grab some sticks and shove in that pipe once this gets going. That thing is really going. Just that little bit of wood in there. You want to start trying to put sticks in as it goes. Try to put a bundle in here at one shot if I can. Okay, now we got a bundle in there going. I'll put wider stuff too, like that. Okay. That thing really throws a flame. It's pretty amazing, actually. I'm pretty impressed how that thing works. I'll put one side. This is just a hardware item. You just buy the metal bands with the holes in. I just cut it. I got the grinder so it fits. I'm still perfecting it, but I can get it on there fairly decent. Like that. So now I'm ready to boil. And now we got the water ready here. Pull this someplace. Keep putting them sticks in. Keep shoving them in. And then I'm ready for the water. If I turn this towards the wind, I bet the draft would get in there good. See, it makes a difference. Clean the cup out. We'll do 12 ounces of water. There you go, you can see it. It's a 20-ounce cup. And we'll see how long that takes to boil. And I just got them sticks burned, that's all it's burning. So, very minimal wood. If you're in some kind of situation where there wasn't a lot of dry wood, or you're on the move, this is perfect. There it's boiling. So you can hear it boil, and there it is. But you can notice it, just that little bit of wood, how it makes a difference.